today I'm going to install LED indicators by replacing the stock indicator in my intruder. Wait, I will show you. So this is my intruder which I bought recently. So what I did, I actually opened these 4 bolts. One is over here, another is here, and another 2 is here, 1 is here, and another is here. This can be easily opened by the Allen key. It may be number 1 to maybe 4 or 5, I think so. With Allen key 4 or 5, this can be easily opened. Then I open this panel, and there are over 4 sockets. These 2 are indicators from the left side, for the right side, and these 2 are for the left side, and they can just easily be opened. Just pull out the wires and they can be removed from the bike. So I remove this panel. So here you can see the panel. One LED indicator I have already installed. See what just I did, I put one washer over here for the outer side and one is for the inner side, and just tighten up the bolt. For your demonstration I can show you. Wait, these are the stock indicators. Okay, so these have there is a clip over here. This clip, these are fitted into it. This clip is at the inner side, and this portion is the at the outer side. This is the inner side and this is the outer side of the indicator. So I just need to pull out this clip. This clip I just need to pull out, and then I can easily remove the indicator from the panel. For a demonstration, what I will try to show you. It's very hard to show the see. I just pull out the clip and it just get off from the indicator. Then you just need to apply some external force, and this indicator will be removed from the panel. So this there is you can see the difference between the stock indicator and the LED indicator which I bought. The stock indicator is equipped with it might be a bulb. It's a bulb and yellowish color bulb, and you can place the bulb actually with opening this bolt, and you can put it you can replace it with a LED bulb or something like that. But I just want to replace the indicator, so I bought the new indicators, which are this. There is a LED strip over here which is actually indicator. You can use this as an indicator, or this is also a DRL, daytime running lights, so you can this also as the indicator, but I will use this as an indicator, and I will connect with the brake lights. When I will apply the brakes, this will glow, and when I will give the indicator, this will glow. So I would like to tell you about the wiring of this indicator. There are actually 3 wires, you can see that. Wait a minute, I will show you one I have already installed. There are 3 wires, positive, negative, and another one. So here there is a positive wire. This is the positive wire, green wire, the positive wire, negative wire, and the another one which is in red color. This wire is for the connection of brake light. I will connect this wire with the brake light, so that whenever I will apply the brakes, this DRL will glow. The connection is very simple. Just connect these wires. In the bike it's already in green and black color, so there would be no confusion about connection. And just connect green with green and black with black, then intruder, so indicator will start glow. And for the mounting of the indicators, there is a problem actually. You can see here the hole is too large for the placement of indicators. The indicators comes with this. Actually, the indicators are like this. There is no washer, no nothing, just a one bolt, and this hole is very large for this indicator. So I just put one washer over. One is at the inner side and one at the outer side. Here I will demonstrate you. One washer at the outer side and one at the inner side of this panel. You can see here. One is at the inner side, one is at the outer side of this, and just tighten up the bolt and my indicator is ready to go. Look here, I have installed at one side, and the same procedure we have to follow for the other side, and we will be ready to go. Just wait for a minute. Now I'm gonna show you the working of my LED indicators. This is the lamp, and I will try. When I will apply the brakes, this will happen on the both sides while applying the brakes. And when I will apply the indicators, this is the indicator on the left side, this is on the right side, and when I will apply simultaneously the brake and the indicator, this will happen. See the difference. On the right side it's like this, the stock indicators, and on the front side they are the LED indicators. They are looking great actually. It's my intruder.